In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively adjust line spacing, often referred to as leading, in Adobe Illustrator. This is a key skill for anyone looking to create visually appealing text compositions. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to make sure you have the right tool selected. Use the Type tool, which you can quickly access by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Once you have the tool, click on the text you want to edit. This could be a specific portion you're focusing on, or you might decide to select the entire text object if you need to apply changes across the board. After selecting your text, the next step is to open the Character panel, where you'll find a variety of text formatting options. To do this, go to the top menu, click on Window, then navigate down to Type, and finally select Character. This panel is critical because it houses all of the text customization features you'll need. Once the Character panel is open, you'll see the leading field, which is likely displaying Auto in parentheses. Illustrator uses an automatic leading value by default, which adjusts as you modify the font size. However, if you prefer a more precise adjustment or a custom look, simply click on this leading field and type a new value, say something like 24 points. Then press Enter. You'll notice the text lines update immediately, allowing you to see the effect of your changes in real time. It's worth noting that when leading is set to Auto, Illustrator defaults to a percentage of the font size, typically around 120%. This is a great starting point for most designs, but for those who want consistency or a specific line spacing for future text, you can adjust the default setting. Should you wish to make your custom leading the default, you need to tackle the auto leading percentage. Head over to the Paragraph panel by selecting Window, then Type, followed by Paragraph. From here, use the panel menu to find Justification. Within this dialog, you can input a percentage ranging from 0 to 500% to establish your preferred setting for all new text entries. Sometimes, you may desire control over the spacing around paragraphs instead of just between the lines. For this, stay on the Paragraph panel. Here, you can fine-tune the space before or space after values, letting you create enough breathing room around your paragraphs. By following these steps and using these options, you can tailor your text's appearance with ease, elevating your design quality significantly. Remember, mastery of leading helps ensure your text is not only legible, but also visually pleasing. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!